Hello everyone from Knowledge Bits. Today we will be talking about what exactly is Salesforce tool and how company uses them. Salesforce is a customer relationship management (CRM) platform that helps businesses manage customer data, interactions and processes in a single system. It offers a range of tools and features for sales, marketing, customer service and collaboration, including Salesforce Sales Cloud. This tool is designed to help sales teams manage leads, opportunities, and accounts, and includes features such as lead tracking, sales forecasting, and sales automation. Salesforce Marketing Cloud. This tool is designed to help marketing teams manage campaigns, analyze customer data, and deliver personalized experiences to customers. It includes features such as email marketing, social media marketing, and marketing automation. Salesforce Service Cloud. This tool is designed to help customer service teams manage customer inquiries and interactions, and includes features such as live chat, case management, and knowledge management. Salesforce Collaboration Cloud. This tool is designed to help teams collaborate and communicate more effectively, and includes features such as file sharing, team chat, and project management. In addition to these core tools, Salesforce also offers a range of industry-specific solutions and integrations with other business systems and applications. Overall, Salesforce is a comprehensive platform that helps businesses streamline and optimize their customer-facing processes and interactions. It is widely used by organizations of all sizes and in a variety of industries.